Is that so? Simplified harmony is what he's saying.
Yeah, it's really, it's really simplified because it really is about driving that tonic chord structure. Right.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Ba-dee-ga-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, jaga-dum, ba-da-da-da-da, boom, diggy-dum-dum, ba-dum, boom, digga-dee-da-dee-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, dum, dum, Well, what it is, what it is that it's just adding a lot of color, and what this song is about is literally Harriet Tubman was hit in the head, right?
Yeah.
And there's a chance that she's going to die,
Right.
right? So he's singing to her like, no, you cannot die. You know, you have work to do. Like, the world is waiting for you. So this is before she's ever rescued anyone, right? And so she literally is on her deathbed. The challenge, the chances that she's ever going to wake up is nearly nil, right?
Yep.
And so what he's doing basically is like, you know, it's like a prayer and a demand, right? So it starts off, you know, very, and then we talked about that traditional Negro spiritual aspect versus a gospel aspect. A gospel aspect would do dum ba dum ga dee ga ding bump, right? But a Negro spiritual is kind of like right
More
to the
grounded.
fact,
Yeah.
right?
More grounded.
Right. Come on, Harriet. Hurry up, old girl. Come on, Harriet. Hurry up, old girl. Come on, Harriet. Hurry up, old girl. You about to change this world. So the very first time they hear that, if we're going to play, you know, a 40-minute set that is really about paying homage to Harriet, the very first time they hear this song, it really should rip them to their gut, right? It should take them, it should be, you know, bare bones. And it's from the quality of our playing, not the abundance of our playing, right? And then we'll come back to the, where I then sing, come on, Harriet. You're about to change this world.
And the progression repeats.
Yeah, indeed. And then we retard it at the end. Yeah, 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 yeah. You bow. Dum, bum, 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 bum.
Yeah. Or more than that, more
Right.
time.
Yeah. And what's really cool is that when you get past that last passing tone, we're just going to wait, and then I will finish. Gonna change this world. And then we just all, you know, finish that.
Yeah. Swell a little bit.
Right.
So you know, so I've got this intro here. Should we just go right on it instead, or do you maybe want something like that? I mean, I don't have to play all these passing chords.
Right.
I can just more plainly state the harmony, and we don't have to be too technical. But,
Yeah, let's see what we got. We got bum bum. Dum, dee, 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 dum, dum.
Yeah, do G.
Come on, Harriet, hurry up, old girl. Come on, Harriet, hurry up, old girl. Come on, Harriet, hurry up, old girl. You about to change. About to change this world. I saw you standing, took them hand in hand. I saw you standing, took them hand in hand. Come on, Harriet. Yeah. You about to change, about to change this world. About to change this world.
Something like that?
Something like that.
Okay.
If you don't give it a chance, you'll never know the glories that you can find just by trying.